Excellencies, I applaud Malaysia's role in facilitating a ceasefire between Cambodia and Thailand, pointing the way to a peaceful settlement of the dispute. In South China Sea, incidents must be prevented, risks reduced, and freedom of navigation and overflight maintained in accordance with international law, including the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. In Myanmar, peace remains elusive. Thousands are dead, millions displaced, humanitarian needs are soaring, and the Rohingya and other communities are trapped in cycles of persecution and flight. The humanitarian plan remains critically underfunded. We need urgent support. I strongly condemn the bloodshed and urge all parties to halt the fighting, protect civilians, allow unimpeded humanitarian access, and engage in an inclusive political process. The release of those arbitrarily detained, including democratically elected leaders, is essential, and under current circumstances, any elections risk further exclusion and instability. The UN remains committed to supporting ASEAN's implementation of the 5-point consensus and Security Council Resolution 2669.